Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around this Volkswagen approved used Golf R-Line. This model is a 1.5 litre petrol automatic 150 PS finished in a deep black paint. It does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you would like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning with the 360-degree walk around and starting at the front, we firstly have your LED daytime running lights. And then taking around, we have these 18-inch Jurva alloy wheels as an additional option, giving the car a sporty finish. And then moving up, we have your rear tinted glass, again making the car look really sporty. This also offers extra privacy and security for the rear interior. Next, showing you your first glance inside, so we have the Vienna leather as an additional option, offering both comfort and style. We have the centre seat act as an armrest for additional comfort with 2 cup holders. Taking around to the back of the car, a great additional option does include your rear parking camera. We also have your parking sensors as standard to support with tight manoeuvres. And then showing you a glance inside the boot space, so as you can see we have a really generous space available, expected from a Golf. The floor is a variable, so we can adjust the height, the rear seats can be folded, and we've got your load through to store anything long. We have enough room to cater for your daily needs. A great additional feature on this car includes your keyless entry, which is really handy when you arrive to the car in a rush. And then taking a glance inside, so we have your multi-function steering wheel. This is followed by your heated front sports seats with lumbar support. These are an additional extra. We also have your electric driver's seat to help you find the most comfortable and safe position to travel in. Got your memory feature on there as well. And then we also have your panoramic sunroof, which really brightens up the interior. This is again another additional feature. So that concludes the first part of the video. So in the second part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So taking a look in the driver's door, we have your electric mirror window adjustments and essential locking. We have your automatic lights. Then directly ahead, we have your multi-function steering wheel where we can access the car's features, such as the adaptive cruise control. So this is really beneficial on the long stretches on the motorway. And then using the controls on the right, we can customise what you want to see in your instrument cluster. So here you can find your key driver information. Moving over to the centre, so here we have your infotainment system where we can access your car's features such as your DAB digital radio. Got your Bluetooth, whether this is for making hands-free calls or listening to your own music. We also have your app connections to mirror up your phone apps to the car, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages for your entertainment. This car also features your driving mode selection. So your 4 preset options allowing you to choose your preferred driving style, which is designed to enhance your experience. This is how your parking camera will appear on the screen when popping the car into reverse. Then you also have the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have your manually controlled air conditioning system that's an easy reach by both yourself and your front passenger. Then we have your 3-point front heated seating either side. Just below we have a storage compartment available where you can find a USB and an aux port for media devices. We have your keyless start, your automatic transmission. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold. Got a 12-volt socket, some hidden cup holders and some additional storage space underneath your armrest. And then finally we have your Dynaudio Excite sound pack as an additional feature, again to enhance your experience even further. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Golf R-Line, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.